Now I want to ask about navigation, because we're looking at navigation on that screen frequently. Let's put it this way, if there's a difference you could point to between the old system and the upgraded system, what is it?
They're going to see a big difference in the way the map looks and the way the map feels, right? When they make a turn, it's going to turn incredibly smooth compared to their current experience. I compare it to, kind of video game performance. But the other benefit they get from it, right? So they get improved navigation, but they're also going to see everything else in the system get faster. It's a win-win for us from an engineering perspective.
One of the things that these beta testers, these sort of new, basically customers, if you will, trying out the system for the first time are going to experience probably was, or I heard, was acceleration. In other words, acceleration of the system. And I heard that video game hardware-based acceleration was used. What does that mean?
We searched for software technologies we could employ on the MyFord Touch system in order to respond to customers' feedback that they wanted it to be faster, right? They wanted it to respond to their touch, respond to their voice, and to start much faster. And one of the things that our engineers were able to figure out is the Sync computer actually has an adjacent piece of hardware in it that was designed to draw graphics, and that's all it's designed to do. In the product we're selling today, we used the main Sync computer to draw the graphics, and we have this piece of hardware in the box that we're really not utilizing very much.
So you got basically the muscular hardware is now devoted to the biggest task, which is navigation.
Correct, right. Drawing graphics on the screen is actually a really stressful and difficult task for the computer, right? And MyFord Touch obviously is a very graphic-intensive product, right? So,
and meaning you're looking at, as for example, what?
Well, whether it could just be the user interface on the 8-inch screen, or the most stressful graphical task for the MyFord Touch system is drawing the map, right?
Okay.
In the performance upgrade, we've been able to move the map task to a separate piece of hardware in the box.
Got it.
It's very similar when people buy a PC, right? Often the specifications for a PC will talk about the graphics hardware that's inside the box, and if they're a gamer, right, they want the latest available graphics technology in the box.